Hello everyone, it's Katya with Lunar Sun Creations, and today is the day that everyone waits for all month long. I don't know if that's true, but it is giveaway day! So to be eligible for this giveaway, you must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, and you must reside in North America. I'm so sorry, international people, but shipping's just so crazy expensive. To be eligible for this video, I just ask that you answer a question for me in the comments below. I've been noticing on Etsy that there's a lot of artists that are just doing tutorials with a video format and no written instruction. So I'm just wondering if, because for all of my tutorials I do a full PDF written component and then do the whole video series. So I'm just wondering, does everyone use the written component and the videos, or do you just go straight to the videos? So I'm just wondering, carrying forward, how I should continue doing the tutorials, because I do them for you, so I want, if you use both parts of the tutorial, both the written and the video, then I'll continue to do both. But if everyone's just going straight to the video, then I might just start doing video portions instead of spending all the time doing the written as well. So please comment down below what you prefer, both parts or just the video, and then I will kind of continue with the tutorials from there. I do have another tutorial in the works right now, which is why I'm asking now, so that I can move forward and decide which way I want to go with it. Alright, you guys are amazing, and now let's just check out what it is you will be winning this month. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here is what you'll be getting in this month's giveaway. Got some pretty paper flowers. These are from, some of them are from Prima, some are from Recollections, I believe. And then some kind of glitter stickers that are dimensional. I love these. They go really well with these flowers. And then just some other little glittery flowers. I'll get to the paper in a sec. We'll do all the other stuff first. A couple rolls of 1/4 inch, or sorry, 1/8 of an inch score tape. And a blade for a paper trimmer. And then some more embellishing stickers. These are really nice sayings about believing in yourself, etc., following your dreams, all the good stuff. Little Julie, kind of, it says family on it, so I don't know, you can use it as some kind of embellishment or something of that nature. Okay, some dimensional alphabet stickers. Some decorative craft labels, and then a couple stencils. There's this like leafy pattern, and then this is a self-adhesive stencil, and it's like in a flowery borders kind of pattern. And then the paper, so all of that for the embellishments, and then the paper, so a 6x6 collection of like kind of vintagey dots. We've got some script things, and then some black and, or the opposite of the first dots. So very vintagey kind of papers. So that's the 6x6, and then in the 12x12, there's a whole bunch of them, not a specific collection, just a whole bunch of papers that are somewhat like kind of vintagey. I'll just kind of like flip them over as we go. So these are from a ledger stack that I had. And this one I obviously cut a couple out of them, but the rest of the labels are there. Another one of these from the ledger stack. Just some flower print, more script. There's a few Tim Holtz papers, and then some banner type papers. This is a Scrabble sticker sheet. And then a cherry blossom tree. And a couple sheets of this. Oh, another cherry blossom. So it's pretty random. It's like a very eclectic mix, but most of them they're quite kind of vintage-esque in that vein. Some nice paisley. And then there's a few that are kind of like woodsy, so we've got some like bark and like forest elements. I thought they kind of like went with the like the back sides, at least the B sides and stuff, kind of went with the vintage theme, like the distressed part of the paper. So I thought that would work quite well. You might not want to use both sides. I don't know. Some more kind of labels. Some more. These are like a pull apart. They're perforated. And then on the back side is got like a really faint script. And then some more labels. So vintage-esque kind of prize pack today. It's quite a few papers. And then the 6x6. And then all of these extra goodies. So the stickers and the stencils. So I kind of tried to like make things so they all work together. Like these work really well together with a lot of the ledger papers and stuff like that. Tried to match the colors and everything. So yeah, so that is the prize pack for February. So just to reiterate, you must be a subscriber and be in North America. And then just please answer the question down below if you would like just video or the video and the written PDF for future tutorials. All right, I hope you're having an amazing day and you're staying safe. Stay happy, find your rainbow. Bye.